Hey guys, Roger here, back with another video, and this is the Magic Disk 4, which is a wireless charger made by a company called Nillkin. Big thanks to Nillkin for sending out the product. Let's jump right into the video. The Magic Disk 4. Do you know, I really like this wireless charger. I think it's that LED light, it's just different to all of the other wireless chargers that are out there. Now it does support fast charging, so if you have a power adapter that's powerful enough, it will fast charge. It can't, however, fast charge an iPhone 8, 8 Plus or an iPhone 10. Nillkin have told me though that they may release a newer version that can fast charge an iPhone in the future, but right now, this particular one doesn't. So in the box you'll find a simple user guide, a USB cable, and the wireless charger itself. There's no power adapter included, but that is the case for most wireless chargers around this sort of price. The top surface of the Magic Disk is made of a clear plastic material, and on the back you'll find a non-slip ring and plenty of venting to keep it cool. On the side there's a single button to control the LED feature, and you'll also find a micro USB port to connect your power adapter. Compared to some other wireless chargers, this one is definitely a lot thicker. You can see here at the top there is a Spigen charger, in the middle a Chotec, and at the bottom is the Magic Disk. So yes, it definitely is a lot thicker than some of the other wireless chargers out there. Now I will admit that with my other wireless chargers, I never really know if they're charging my phone or not. But with this Magic Disk, if it's blue, it's charging. So for me, in everyday use, it's actually quite a useful feature. That blue light can't be changed while your device is charging. You can, however, turn it off, so if you want to use this in a dark room, maybe by the side of your bed at night, something like that, you can turn the blue light off, but you can't change it. When you're not actually using the charger, you can sort of use this as a decoration piece, I suppose, because you can have a white light, or you can also cycle through various different colours. As far as wireless chargers go, I really like it, so if you're looking for something a little bit different, this really is worth a look. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you want more information or you would like to buy the Magic Disk 4, you'll find a link to the product in the description below. I'm Roger with Life of Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.